using a brass dowel. And see if I can't get a more robust thread and a tight fit into this cavity here, and then make sure that the backlash is minimized. It may be this is just a poor screw, but I thought when I had it, it wasn't so bad. So I'm thinking it's too tight, and I may need to do some cleaning and lubing and make sure everything can slide as easily as it can. You can see I put oil in here, but it's pretty gritty oil, actually. So we want to do some cleaning. All right, so that's that design. So that's what I'm going to be doing this morning. And let's see, what else did I have in here? Oh yeah, this is where I got into the thinking maybe I could 3D print this, but these are dense nylon, you know. These are really tough. It's a real hard plastic, so I can't imagine that would work very well anyway. And so I'm thinking maybe not. All right, we'll put it this way for now. Put the white one in there and see how it works, and put this one up here and see how it works, and go from there. That's it. That's as good as you can do. Oh, these things can float. You can push them up and down. Oh, geez, that's pretty interesting. All right. Well, that's interesting. Okay. So if I can't do that, I may try to see if I can get some brass rod, and then I would just create a pair of flats and then drill a pilot hole and then try to thread it with a 1/4 inch 20 tap, which I have. See if I can't make my own out of brass, and is that going to do the trick or not. The other piece that I'm going to be working on probably this morning is this whole mounting thing. See, I have to disassemble everything down to get anything off to tune it, and it's really pain. And these, I have to take this off, and these screws are from the bottom, and blah blah blah. So what I'm going to do now, I think, is work to this wood adapter and mount it to the top of this. Just mount it through the existing openings, just bolt it in, fixed to this. Then take this base plate with its 2 holes and fit it wherever it fits best, and just drill it and see if I can use a threaded insert to give me a tight hole fit into that wood. And then that way I'd be able to take the screws out and lift this off without having to disassemble everything. 2 pieces is what I'm thinking. I thought wood screws, but I just don't think I'm going to get the fit snug enough with all the work I'm doing. Or I may try wood screws initially just to test the theory and then put in the inserts. I have some inserts around here if I can find them. They clamp into the bottom, and I think they're 1/4 20. So we'll see. I'll work on that. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. I make this so I can disassemble this thing a lot easier. Thinking down the road, I probably want to get in here and do this more than once. And then there's the making of the nut. And then this is how it's assembled. And these are fixed. This is moving. And there's the backlash and why. And okay, that's what I'm going to be attacking today. Hopefully I can come back and show you these videos, and you'll see the process. Okay, later.